Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with AGRICOLA. In this short video, we'll go over how to access AGRICOLA, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find AGRICOLA on this list. Please note that this tutorial covers the OVID interface, not the National Agricultural Library interface. It's also important to note that there are a limited number of users allowed at any one time, so please remember to log off when you're finished using this resource. AGRICOLA serves as the catalog and index to the collections of the National Agricultural Library, as well as the primary public source for worldwide access to agricultural information. The database covers materials in all formats and periods, including printed works from as far back as the 15th century. The records describe publications and resources encompassing all aspects of agriculture and allied disciplines, including animal and veterinary sciences, entomology, plant sciences, forestry, aquaculture and fisheries, farming and farming systems, agricultural economics, extension and education, food and human nutrition, and earth and environmental sciences. This is the AGRICOLA homepage. In the middle of the page, you'll find the search window. AGRICOLA defaults to the advanced search. However, you can change this to basic, citation, or multi-field search depending on your needs. In this tutorial, we'll be using the advanced search to search by keywords. Above the search window, you'll find your search history where AGRICOLA tracks your searches and allows you to conduct multiple searches, compare the number of results, and combine search terms before refining your results. For example, let's search for sustainable. The advanced search will guide us through our search by suggesting subject headings related to the keyword we searched. Let's select sustainable agriculture and click continue. At the bottom of the page, we can view, sort, and filter results related to sustainable agriculture. Notice that our search has been added under search history at the top of the page and that we can quickly see the total number of results returned. Let's add another search term to see if we can tailor our results a bit more before we look through them. This time, we'll search for insects. Select insects from the list of subject headings and click continue. Our search for insects with nearly 30,000 results has also been added to the top of the page. Let's combine these searches by clicking the checkboxes next to each term, then selecting Combine with and. We now have a third combined search with 56 specifically tailored results listed at the bottom of the page that we can filter by year, subject, author, journal, or publication type. On the right side of the page, we can use these links to find similar articles, other articles that have cited this article, and the full text of this article. AGRICOLA also includes citations for each article that can be found by clicking on the cite link. Remember that it's always a good idea to double-check all automatically generated citations for errors. Now you know how to access AGRICOLA, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgnt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.